Hello students. In the earlier class we learned the trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. In this class we continue with the same topic but with few more sums. This is exercise 23b. The first sum says given A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. Prove that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So you have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So in this case we will start with LHS, which is sine of A plus B. Substituting the value of A and B. A is 60 and B is 30. So you get sine 90, and you know the value of sine 90 is 1. Now RHS, which is sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Here also you will substitute the value of A and B, which is 60 and 30 respectively. So cos 60 and sin 30. Now the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and the value of cos 60 is half. Similarly, the value of sine 30 is half. So solving this, you get 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. So you get 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. So you are proving LHS is equal to RHS. Now the next sum, A is equal to 60 degree, B is equal to 30 degree. You have to prove that cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We will follow the same method. Take LHS, which is cos of A minus B. Substituting the value of A and B, you get cos of 60 minus 30, which is equal to cos 30, and the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now RHS is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos of the value of A is 60 and value of B is 30 plus sin 60 and sin 30. Now substitute the values of cos 60 and cos 30. Cos 60 is half and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 30 is half. So you get root 3 upon 4 plus root 3 upon 4. So this is root 3 plus root 3 upon 4, which is equal to 2 root 3 by 4. Reducing this, you get root 3 by 2. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. You see, LHS is root 3 by 2 and RHS is also root 3 by 2. Now the next sum, here also the value of A is given as 60 and B as 30. You have to prove that tan of A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Actually these are all identities. So your LHS, tan of A minus B, which is equal to tan of 60 minus 30. And you know 60 minus 30 is 30. So tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Now solving RHS, which is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Substituting the value of A and B, you get tan 60 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 60 tan 30. Now the value of tan 60 is root 3 and the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Similarly here we will substitute the value of tan 60 as root 3 and tan 30 is root 3. Now taking the LCM root 3, so you get 3 minus 1 upon, here root 3 and root 3 gets cancelled, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon root 3 by 2. So this will give you 2 by root 3 into 1 upon 2. This gets cancelled and you get 1 upon root 3. So your LHS is 1 by root 3 and RHS is also 1 by root 3. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now the next sum. If A is equal to 30 degree, prove that sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. Now here it is sin 2A. Don't get confused with sin square A. There are two things. One is your sin square A and this is sin 2A. Don't get confused. This is different and this is different. Now here you have got three expressions. So we will start with the first expression, which is sin 2A. So this will become sin, the value of A is given as 30. So you get sin 60, which is equal to root 3 by 2. So you got the first part, which is root 3 by 2. Now the next part, that is the second part, which is 2 sin A cos A. So you get 2 sin 30 cos 30. The value of A is given as 30. So 2 into half into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. This gets cancelled. So the second part is root 3 by 2. Now the third part, which is 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. So this will become 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. So the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30 is actually tan 30 the whole square. So this will become 1 by root 3 the whole square. So you get 2 upon root 3 upon 1 plus 1 by 3. The square of root 3 is 3. So you have 2 by root 3 upon 3 plus 1 by 3, which will give you 2 by root 3 upon 4 by 3. Now you can bring the reciprocal of the denominator, which is 4 by 3. This gets cancelled. So you have 3 by 2 root 3. Now you should not leave any irrational number in the denominator. So by rationalizing, you get 3 root 3 upon 2 into 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So you are left with root 3 by 2. So if you observe, your first expression is equal to second expression is equal to third expression, hence proved. Now the next sum which is sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is again, it is 3a, not cube a. So the value of a is given as 30 degree. Here we will start with LHS, which is sin 3a. So you get sin 3 of 30 degree, which is sin 90 degree. The value of sin 90 is 1. Now your RHS is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Here it was 3a, here it is cube. So 3 sin 30 degree minus 4 sin cube of 30 degree. You know the value of sin 30, which is half. So this is half minus 4 of half the cube. So this is 3 by 2 minus 4 upon 8. 2 cube is 8. Taking the LCM, which is 4. Okay, you can reduce this to, so 3 minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, and hence it is equal to 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Now the next one, if A is equal to B is equal to 45 degree, show that sine of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Here the value of A and B is given as 45 degree. We will start with LHS. So sine of A minus B is equal to sine of 45 minus 45. The value of A and B are same. So you get sine 0. The value of sine 0 is 0. Now your RHS, it is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So you get sin 45 cos 45 minus cos 45 sin 45. The value of sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Similarly, the value of cos 45 is also root 2. So you get 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So this is half minus half, which is equal to 0. So therefore, your LHS is equal to RHS. Now the next one, if A is equal to 30 degree, sin A minus cos A the whole square is equal to 1 minus sin 2A. Now your LHS, which is sin A minus cos A the whole square. So substituting the value of A as 30, sin 30 minus cos 30 the whole square. The value of sin 30 is half and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 the whole square. So you get 1 minus root 3 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to, now squaring the numerator and denominator, you will use the expansion of A minus B the whole square. So you get 1 plus root 3 the whole square, 1 square plus root 3 the whole square, minus 2 of 1 of root 3. You are applying A minus B the whole square upon 4. The square of 2 is 4. So 1 plus 3 minus 2 root 3 upon 4, which is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 4. The common here is 2 of minus root 3 by 2. Sorry, by 4. So this gets cancelled. You get 2 minus root 3 by 2. This is your LHS. Now your RHS is 1 minus sine 2a. That is 1 minus sine 2 of, the value of a is given as 30 degree. So you get 1 minus sine 60. And the value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Taking the LCM, you get 2 minus root 3 by 2. Therefore, your LHS will be equal to RHS. Now the next sum, 1 plus sine 2a plus cos 2a upon sine a plus cos a is equal to 2 cos a. Now here the value of a is given as 30 degree. So here also we follow the same thing, starting with your LHS, which is 1 plus sine 2a, okay, plus cos 2a upon sine a plus cos a. Substituting the value of a, that is 30 degree, 1 plus sine 2 of 30 plus cos 2 of 30 upon sine 30 plus cos 30. So you get the expression 1 plus sine 60 plus cos 60 upon sine 30 plus cos 30. Now we will substitute the value of sine 60 and cos 60 in the numerator. So 1 plus sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 2 upon sine 30 is half and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So taking the LCM of the numerator, you get 2 plus root 3 plus 1 upon 2, and here you get 1 plus root 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and here 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus root 3 upon 1 plus root 3. Now the next step will be, you have to rationalize. So the rationalizing factor will be 1 minus root 3 upon 1 minus root 3. So you get 3 plus root 3 of 1 minus root 3 upon 1 square minus root 3 the whole square. The denominator is of the form a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So you get 3 minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 minus 3 upon 1 minus 3. This is a binomial multiplication. So 3 and minus 3 gets cancelled. So you are left with minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 by minus 2. So further, if you do, take root 3 as common. So you get minus 3 plus 1 upon minus 2. So this is root 3 of minus 2 by minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 2 gets cancelled. Your LHS is root 3. Now your RHS is 2 cos A. So take your RHS, which is 2 cos A. The value of A is 30. So 2 cos 30 degree. So 2 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and you get the value of RHS as root 3. So LHS is root 3, RHS is also root 3. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you, children.